Hi guys and welcome to thrustzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. What was launched earlier a few days ago is here. The Bolero Max pickup truck by Mahindra was recently unveiled, and the prices range from 7.8 lakh rupees to almost 10 lakh rupees for the HD variant. What we are driving is the city variant. और जो भी बोलने वाला है कि भाई ये वीडियो हिंदी में करो, कमेंट कर लो, मैं आप लोग को उसमें लिंक दे दूंगा और वहाँ पे आप जाके देख सकते हो। मैं जानता हूँ कि वीडियो हिंदी में करना ज़रूरी है, बट डाउन साउथ लोगों को हिंदी समझ नहीं आती, इंग्लिश आती, इसके लिए उनके लिए ये वीडियो किया गया है। शुरुआत करते हैं, लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो। एंड व्हाट यू कैन सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इज़ द ट्राइड एंड ट्रस्टेड डिज़ाइन विच हैज़ चेंज्ड अ बिट, because the bumpers are slightly different and the bumpers continue to be all metal, and the white color definitely looks good on the Bolero any single day, and the iconic design still continues. This in fact looks much more in line with the previous designs, and you've got the badging here, you've got a turn indicator, you've got mirrors which are just adjustable from the outside only. Bear in mind this is a lower variant, this is the base variant, and coming at the back you're getting these 3M reflective tapes of very good looking tail lamps on offer here. Yeah, that is the loading bay of the 1.5 tonner here, which is mentioned here. And these are your 15-inch wheels, the same ladder on frame chassis, and leaf spring suspension that is here. That is the exhaust, and yeah, what you're getting here is a footrest to get inside the cabin. What is very special with this new update is that you get turn light on this. So when you turn the steering wheel, you will get a light, and the dark spot will be very less, so you can take much better actions, and this makes it for a very safe ride as well. And that is the only new feature on the outside. As you can see, there is more reflective tape here as well as on both sides. The new grille looks nice, much more chunkier than before. This is a commercial vehicle, so Mahindra is still using the old logo for this. Getting inside this new car, there is absolutely nothing on offer apart from the headlamp adjuster and the 12-volt socket. And the top end variant, which we have later on, I will show you in the video itself, will have more features. And you've got the vents here. There is no AC, but the air goes from here. As you can see, it goes from here and channels it inside. So it is quite hot today, and I was surprised that why am I not feeling so hot. It's because of this vent which was directly blowing air to my face, while buffeting is also in check. And you've got this nice door pad here which is soft, but right now it's covered in plastic. And height adjustable seat is on offer. The seat, if you are going to be very tall, then this might feel a little cramped. Anything above 6'2" should feel cramped. Below that should be just fine. And let's get the thing started. Just a second. Yes, गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. This beep beep song is of course for the part that the handbrake is still on, and yeah, this is the handbrake right there. That is the glove box, which is very big, very huge. You have this grab handle as always. You have some area to keep some stuff here too. If you buy the base variant, then you will get some space here as well, and here too. And that is it. It's a very simple cabin. The instrument cluster is here. That is the gear shift indicator, as you can see. Back to neutral, odometer, speedometer, and time. And this will tell you, let me just trip as well, so that's good. The IRVM is very shaky. I think Mahindra should have a look into it. Since we at high speeds it is also vibrating, at low speeds it's just about fine, but this definitely needs and deserves a more solid robust mounting point so it doesn't vibrate. I think this is also part of the safety aspect, so this also should be done. You got something that is not fit. Yeah, it fits right, but it is a bit loose. And overall, while driving, it feels very different and very solid. How does it exactly do? Let's find out. So finally we are here with the Bolero Max pickup high deck 2-ton version. This gets the same engine and everything else is the same. I will still show you around a bit. It still gets those reflector tapes, those lights which will bend when you are cornering so that you will have better illumination in the night on the guards. And this is the big high deck variant that gets a bigger deck here, and at the same time, as you can see, the loading capacity is 2 tons. Still gets the same tail lamps and parking sensors and 15-inch wheels. There's the 2-ton badging over here, mirrors, and yeah, that is it. On the inside it is still the same, but this variant has an air conditioner here, and that is the steering 3-seater layout, and same instrument cluster and the same vibrating internal rear view mirror, which needs to be fixed. Something that Mahindra should take feedback seriously and get it done. Rest of the car is the same. Of course, this is a bigger version, so the cabin pretty much stays the same. It's the deck which is slightly higher, and I told you I'll show you that in a bit. But most importantly, how is it like to drive? Let's find that out. So what is it like to drive? Well, this is the BS6 2.5 liter motor making 70 bhp of power and 200 Nm of torque. This is capable of pulling 2 tons, as I said earlier. This has got a 5-speed gearbox. Surprisingly, the clutch is light, the gearbox is good, but it is notchy, but at the same time it isn't very stressful to deal with. Of course, in a very long hard traffic jam it can get a bit irritating, but it will not physically tire you out, that is for sure. And the engine is surprisingly very refined. At any speed there is not a lot of sound inside the cabin, so you will be very well kept away from the noises. Brakes, pedal bite could have been better, and overall brakes are good for a vehicle that only goes to 180 kilometers an hour, and the acceleration is good enough without load, and with load also it should be sufficient. That is what Mahindra tells us, and it should be, because without the loaded deck here, it is pulling quite spiritedly. It feels pretty normal to drive, like almost like a car. So with the load it should do just about okay, and since it can pull almost 2 tons of load, that means that 50-60 should be easy, and with a very healthy amount of torque lower down the rev range, it should be pretty good to pull from slow speeds and inclines. And steering very light, maneuverability is good. U-turn radius of course is big because the rear axle is way behind and you need some big space to take a U-turn, or else it will be a lot of effort. I think that is what the Bolero Max pickup is all about. It can do it all. It's a no frills Max pickup, and of course there are certain safety items that are missing, and something that things could have been much more refined, but I think this is one of the best versions till date. I think this is pretty impressive. We were asked a lot of questions by our fellow commercial vehicle riders on saying that this looks better and it will be a very good CV because it's a Mahindra. So that trustworthiness, that reliability, that dependability is already taken well into account before buying the vehicle. Mahindra also needs to step up a little bit more. They've done a good part here. They need to step up a little bit more to make things even better for guys who drive all the time, guys who are on the road all the time. They deserve all the comfort and all the ease of use that they can get. This is pretty good. There is minimum effort in this. We spoke to certain people who were driving it already. They are praises about the fuel efficiency, and they are impressed with the fuel tank capacity and with the reliability and the large service network that they can tap into with the Bolero pickup, no matter whichever pickup that is. So Mahindra has gotten the game right. They need to step it up a bit more to get. That is it. That is our review of the Bolero Max pickup. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Follow us on our website and social media for everyday updates. Until then, goodbye.